Good morning. So we have a customer we dropped off late last night for an engine diagnostic. It's a 17 MKZ. I can't even drive it. If it runs, it won't move. So I just did a code pull and a visual inspection. And I guess someone did a trans service on this not that long ago. And there's trans fluid coming out to overflow. See the pink underneath the pink transmission shift linkage piece. And then I was like, well, why does the air box look like it's apart? There's no air filter in there, so I don't know what happened to that. Bunch of codes. Misfires on every cylinder, engine over temperature, crankcase ventilation system disconnected, someone cleared the codes. I've seen there's some coolant in here, but the engine's saying it's been overheating. I've seen some parts in the car here. Maybe someone put some spark plugs in it. I guess someone put some spark plugs in it. Well, that doesn't help. I suspect the catalytic converter's probably grenaded too. I'll bring you back when I find more. Thanks for watching.